Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford Ordnance. We got a special delivery today. It's the kids are coming back from college. It's a great thing. I'm really happy. And my daughter goes to school in Michigan, and our Thunder buddy in Michigan sent us a special delivery. This is the first step in our 7.62 by 39 project. Developing a load, an accurate load, a fast load, a hard-hitting load, the best we can make with years of experience on his end, tiny bit of experience on my end, and I'm just hoping I do it all justice. I really am. But it's kind of like Christmas because there's a whole list on here of stuff, and came from him. It says Chris Rockford Ordnance, got my daughter's name and stuff on here, and a list of what's in here. I'll read it off real quick and then we'll show you. 2 pounds of powder. We'll get into what kind of powder. 100 Spear hot core bullets. 100 custom polymer coated bullets. 1,000 primers. Those were separate project. I needed some pistol primers. He got them for me. Thank God. 20 real NATO Comblock full metal jacket bullets. Friend of ours was SF, okay? And I'm not gonna say who, where, when, what, but they were involved in some drug interdiction things out of country, and took down some teams and were able to, let's say, procure some real bullets out of Russia, not the stuff you get, let's say, in Red Army Standard or Wolf, but the real deal military rounds. And yes, they are different. When you pull them and you look at them, you weigh them, you measure them, it's a lot different than what you're getting, guys. So we've got those to test. He added some stuff here that it was just very nice of him. 100 pieces of 45 long Colt brass Winchester. What else here? I'm just trying to read the handwriting. It's a little hard. 5, 7 grains of... Oh! Not only did we get the real Comblock bullets, but we got the powder out of those shells. So it'll be interesting to take a look at that. And he also sent a little gift, it looks like, and we'll put it up when we're doing the videos. I use a lot of it, so why not? I'll help out a company I like. And I believe his company is also a dealer for them. It's Hornady. So let's take a look here. I already pulled some of the tape off. It was packed for an excursion. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Cool. That's really cool. Hornady sign. We'll put that up proudly over the reloading bench. Really neat. Let's see. Stay. These are pages of his handwritten notes on loading the 7.62 cartridge, along with some copies of books that I might not be able to get my hands on, whatever. But this is literally years of his personal research on the cartridge. Shared with me, a nobody, somebody that I hope like I said, I hope I can do it justice. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to read, a lot of reading before we get going. Guys, reloading at a serious level, you know, beyond the plinking and saving money and all that, it's a lot of this. It's a lot of research, a lot of reading, a lot of on the bench, all that good stuff. That's what enables you to come up with it. I bet if you knew what went into even a regular commercial cartridge, you'd probably be shocked. But I think I'm going to be shocked when I start reading into this. Let's see what we got here. Got some IMR, awesome. And I'm gonna save what it is. This I'll tell you, this is Varget. I needed some Varget. I haven't had an easy time finding it. hot core spear. I don't know that I've ever seen a hot core bullet, but we're gonna take a look, see. These are sealed up too, so they won't, wow. Look at these things. Soft points, God, they're beautiful, holy cow. Maybe I'm shooting the wrong kind of bullets. 150 grain. Now it says 303 Brit, but we had a long conversation about this. Okay, so that's the difference. A lot of guys are talking about 312s diameter. These are 311 Spicer. So yeah, this is what we need. And we'll go through this. I think there's gonna be a lot of guys maybe a little upset at some of the information or thinking we're wrong, but I'm gonna prove it. These are custom bullets he makes. He powder coats these things and tells me they're good without letting the barrel up to 2,300 feet per second. 138 grain, 310. We'll get into all this. I'm just kind of doing a quick once over. Looks like he has some 45 Colt and he knew I was doing that, so that's cool. Now I gotta find 30-30s and I'm good to go. 7.62 by 39 war souvenirs. These are war souvenirs, guys. Like I said, procured. Very interesting. And we'll get you some I don't know. I'm gonna ask him before I say where these came from. But let's say it was in 1984. Interesting. What else we got? We've got 1,000 small pistol primers. Yay. And we've got some Comblock powder. To be exact, about 600 grains. Interesting. It's certainly not the powder I see in Wolf and other stuff, because I've broken those down. It's a very finely extruded powder, but super fine. It's not a ball powder. It's extruded, but really fine, really fine. Very interesting. I think this was just in there to take up space, probably. But gotta check to be sure. Yep. So we've got a whole bunch of cool stuff, and I can't wait to get started reading and dig into this, and I can't wait to load the first ones up and do some ladder testing, get to the range. It's gonna be a bit of a project. It's getting cold, getting windy, but I don't care. I shoot through the winter, and we'll get it done. So just wanted to drop this video, show you what we got. On top of it, I wanted to wish you all a really happy Thanksgiving. Take advantage of friends and family every chance you get. You never know the next time you see them. Just make sure that you put all those little differences aside and make it about family. All right? Have a great holiday, guys. We'll see you soon. And as always, Rockford Ordnance out. And thanks to our friend, too.